Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon, as an equity trader for Bank of America. So if you just a bit of a housekeeping before we begin, anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. And more importantly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, because this gives you an opportunity to really get all that information and the notification the moment that we go live. Now, in today's stock market, what we're really seeing is again weakness among tech stocks. Of course, the DAX index is also trading to the downside as well, and that is primarily because Angela Merkel's party faced a second defeat in this German state election. So there's a concern that, okay, which party will be really taking over if Angela Merkel's party obviously had a really good reputation with respect to what they have achieved. And if there's another party coming with a completely different agenda, that can really change the landscape for Germany. And this is the concern among investors and traders when it comes to the DAX index. In addition to that, we also know that the DAX index has hit several all-time highs during the last few weeks. And the retracement was very much on the card, because if you see the DAX index on the daily time frame with respect to 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages, the prices are trading above that. And then that really confirms that, yes, the momentum is really going to continue to the upside. Let us know, what do you think also about the DAX index as well? Do you think that this momentum will continue, whether we will see more highs and more lows? Any opinion to that, so just post your comments over here, and then we'll be very happy to look at them and then share our thoughts on back of that. Now, over in the United States, it's again all about the Treasury yields and inflation concern. That is one of the reasons that we saw that the NASDAQ Composite Index closing in negative territory again. But it is all about the daily time frame when it comes to the NASDAQ 100 Index. The price is in battle with the 100 simple moving average. And as long as the price continues to stay above that, I believe that the market is really going to continue to the upside. Do let us know what you think also about that as well. But our belief is that I think that the market, as long as it stays above it, it is likely to continue its journey from there onwards. Now, finally, about Bitcoin, the price has crossed that 60,000 price level, which I talked about last week. And now the journey has really been started for Bitcoin prices to continue their move towards the 70,000 price level. And I think that it is only a matter of a time before we will already reach that particular price mark. In terms of gold prices, we saw gold prices moving from our defined area of support. If you haven't seen the analysis, highly recommend you to do so. But overall, on the 4-hour time frame, it is the 100-day simple moving average, which is very much of a challenge. So do have a look at that on the 4-hour time frame. That's all in terms of the markets. If you do have any questions, please feel free to comment, and we'll come back to you with more answers on them. Thank you, and enjoy your day.